This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and launching the tool. First, make sure you have a recent restore point. Open Control Panel, Recovery, then open System Restore. Once done, back up any new files to an external drive or OneDrive so nothing is lost during changes. If your disk is BitLocker encrypted, suspend it or have the recovery key ready, because restoration can trigger protection. Now select the restore point that predates the issue and click Next to start the process. You'll now execute the restore and watch the system closely. After selecting the restore point, click Scan for affected programs to see what will be removed or restored. This helps you plan follow-up reinstalls. Make sure all apps are closed, your laptop is plugged into power, and no peripherals are interrupted. Click Finish to confirm. Windows will warn you and then reboot automatically. During the reboot, do not power off. The restore applies changes and may take several minutes to complete. You finish by validating and, if needed, troubleshooting the result. Once Windows restarts, verify system stability by opening key apps and checking Device Manager for driver issues. Reinstall drivers if needed. If the restore fails or Windows won't boot, reboot into safe mode or use the recovery environment to run System Restore again or perform startup repair. As a last resort, choose Reset this PC and pick Keep My Files, or perform a clean install, but make sure backups exist before drastic steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.